Okay, everybody, this feels different for Shiba Inu. Hello, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, my name's Zach. We're here on the channel. We talk about all things crypto. In this video, we are covering Shiba Inu because it is on a rise right now. It is on a tear. If you want to join the Patreon group, that access is down below in the description. We've got a private community brewing, an awesome place to talk crypto. I'll take a look at your portfolio for you. You're going to get buy and sell trade alerts. Go have a look at that link down in the description. Check that out. I do not think you will be disappointed if you decide to go with either package. Now, let's get into Shiba Inu, and I've switched my box up a little bit. I put myself up here in the top right-hand corner because I wanted to take this out full view of the charts. And I'm really taking a macro approach here, going way back for a few months here, and just kind of going through an historical timeline of where we've been, and why I think this is a little bit different than some of the other run-ups in recent past, okay? Okay, so first off, let's start where we are today, okay? Right now, we are at crucial points in the charts. At the time of this recording, we are at the 0901 level. We've cracked into the 09 level, which is big. Now, the last time we were up here, you have to go back here to July 6th. This is when Shiba Swap was released. Important date to note, right? Before that, it was the run-up to Shiba Swap, which was June 29th, which saw us go all the way up to the 9.6 level. This is where we're trying to get to right now. Okay. Before that, you've got to go back to June 15th, which was what? This was the news that Coinbase Pro was going to be listing SHIB. Since Coinbase, we saw the big fall off. We saw the next run-up leading up to Shiba Swap. Then we sold off after Shiba Swap. Consolidated for a long period of time. July was very boring, as we all remember. But then, boom. Look at these consecutive green candles. And we don't have a lot of catalyst right now. We knew why we were moving up here in June. It was because we were leading up to Shiba Swap, and there was a lot of hype around that, as well as Coinbase Pro. Well, Shiba Swap has gone and passed, and Coinbase Pro, the verdict's still out. We don't really know what's going to happen here. So why is this pumping? Is it just Weeble? I don't think so. I think this feels different because there are a lot of reasons why this is pumping, and I think they're all culminating, is that a word? Into one big push forward for SHIB. One point, obviously, I always say this, but it's important to state the market is looking good. Overall, the market is looking great, so SHIB has room to grow. But I do think there's a lot going on here. I think there's a FOMO factor here. I think there is a group of people out there that are FOMOing back into SHIB that maybe sold off at the 06 level, gave up on it, right? Or have been putting it off and just kind of watching it. Now they see it running, they want a piece of it. I think the social sentiment around SHIB has been strong, right? And we've heard a lot more from the dev team, which I think really helps SHIB. We've also, got, I believe, institutional money coming into these charts. I think we've got institutional money helping us move up in the overall market right now. I think a lot of institutional money is coming in. Now, couple that with what we know in terms of Coinbase institutional. And this question still lingers, and I want you to ponder about this, and I want your thoughts down below in the comment section. We still really don't know why Coinbase Pro hasn't listed it for retail investors, haven't put it on Coinbase Pro and then Coinbase, but instead have listed it on Coinbase Institutional, Coinbase Custody. That's fascinating to me, and we still don't have an answer to that. I don't know if we'll ever have one, but the fact that institutions, and the minimum buy, by the way, is 10 million USD, and it costs like $100 to sign up and to get an account, can go and purchase Shiba Inu, yet they can't go purchase some other large assets. To my knowledge, I don't think they can go and purchase Dogecoin. I don't think Dogecoin is available at last check on Coinbase Custody, but Shiba Inu is. Now, I don't think that's a bad thing. I just think it's interesting to think why would they put it on Coinbase Custody but not bring it to the retail side? My thinking is still that they will bring it over to the retail side, but we've got many other catalysts looming. And I think we're starting to see internally the ecosystem grow, and we're seeing that in number of holders, right? So if we pop over here, we take a look at the Ether scan, This pops out for us 32. We're sitting at 632,000, basically 633,000. We need 12 more holders to get to that mark. Okay, and we're seeing how many transactions are happening right now. Look, swapping ETH for tokens. A lot of swapping and transferring going on. Crypto.com transferring in. Very interesting stuff, right? So we're seeing the number of holders move up consistently now, right? And now I want to talk a little bit more about where I think this price is going. So obviously the crucial number to get past is the 0.95 level. And let me pull up this article because this kind of also further talks about what we want to address here in this video and also gets into more details of how I want to close this thing out. So FX Street, shout out to Akash again, doing some great work over at FXS. Go check out the YouTube channel they have too. Love using this resource. It's a great one. You guys do a great job. Shiba Inu price takes another jab at the 1-1 level. Okay, as Shiba rewards program delays, Shiba Inu price shows a resurgence in buying pressure, indicating a 28% upswing potential. If SHIB slices through the high probability reversal zone's upper limit at the 10.70 level, it will confirm a bull rally. Now, we've yet to get there for a long time. That's why this is so crucial right now. This feels different that we're trending upwards over the past couple weeks. No major catalyst, just kind of growing within. The ecosystem is just growing organically. This is where I think SHIB is at its best. Manual process delays rewards for Shiba Swap DEX users. So basically, the development team came out and mentioned that a lot of DEXs in the cryptocurrency community can get hacked. They wanted to ensure that it doesn't happen. This process has some pros and cons. The pros are that it's 100% safe and it ensures no hacks or drains can happen. The cons, it requires time and a manual process run by actually one person. So they're working on some things. Be patient. The rewards are coming. In such a case, they're talking about if Shiba Inu's price continues on this journey to shatter crucial barriers, we're looking at that 0.95 level. I mentioned it. There it is. 0.95. We need to get somewhere between there and the 10.70 range. If we get there, we are looking super bullish. Okay? So this is going to be interesting to watch here over this week. It's a great start to the week for SHIB. Love what I'm seeing today. What's really fascinating about the charts here, let me go back over to the charts real quick and show you the hour by hour here. And what I love about this is look at the steady growth and the movement here up and then back down. There's definitely some market manipulation going on here, but I'm okay with it because we're forming higher lows here on the way up. Okay, and you can come out to these 1 hour charts and see this nice steady growth over the past, on these 1 hour sticks over the past few months. Okay, this was July 20th. Way down here, we were at the 0.56 level. So we've come a long way from there. And we're only a few weeks removed from there, so it'll be interesting to watch. Now, one last thing I want to show you on the charts. This is kind of interesting. You can look at the weekly sticks. So here is weekly candlesticks, okay? Now, the last time, it's been a long time since we had 3 green weeks in a row. Look at that. So we've had 3 straight weeks of green for SHIB. We have never in its history had 4 green weeks in a row. That's interesting. Well, at least since they've been touting it here on showing it rather on TradingView, okay, since May. We have not had 4 in a row. Can we get one? Can we get this week and next week in the green? That would be big. That would be a milestone for SHIB. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thumbs up if you like the video. Hopefully you got some value out of it. And take care. Till next time. Peace.